So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off the chat GPT in your Apple Intelligence or Siri. So if you ask any doubts, most of the time it went to it went to chat GPT, and the process takes too much time and it will be annoying for you sometimes. Now in order to do it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. Here when you scroll down, you're going to see this option of extensions. Under this you can see this option of chat gpt. In the chat gpt, just simply turn this option of use chat gpt off. Once you do that, now the chat gpt won't be start automatically and won't respond to your Siri request automatically, and yes, it will solve a lot of problems. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.